morning, guys. It finally stopped raining. Oh my goodness. Last night was the rainstorm upon rainstorms. We have, and I'm going to be looking for a tree or something that was hit pretty close to the house last night by a bolt of lightning. I jumped in bed. That's how bad it was. And I'm used to rainstorms now here in Tennessee. Yeah, it was bad. Whew. Okay, I gotta feed the pigs. Whoop. We gotta collect some more eggs for them. And our chicken food. There is straw everywhere, and where all the straw is, I laid new grass seed down. So, taking advantage of all the extra rain right now. This has been a very wet spring for us, and we weren't going to seed at all this spring, but it's so wet. Hi, pig pigs. Hi, pig pigs. Hi, pig pigs. See how the garden's faring with all this rain. I totally emptied and fed my onions with the content, and that pool is totally full. And yeah, there you go. And we're just catching it off the roof here. We don't have that hooked up yet. Just haven't had the time, but soon. I think I'll take the time and just do it. But so we've just been putting buckets, and the pool is right there, so that anytime I empty it, I always empty it before a rainstorm. It's full after it rains once. Sometimes twice, but most of the time around here, the way it rains, one time and it's full. So, buckets. One for the pigs, eggs that aren't that great, too small or too poopy, and the rest goes to us. Little broody hen in there, so I didn't get that many eggs, but and she's got them nice and hot, so I know that she's been on them for a long time, so I'll leave her alone. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that pig video. They are taming, coming up to me now, and just being little sweeties to me every day. Some of that is just because they're so young, and some of it is because you need to spend time with them. So if you're gonna have a pig on pasture, remember, take some time, sit down with them, let them get to know you. That's my plan with the pigs. Thank you for watching today. God bless.